What is up, YouTube? This is Papa G, and this week I've got 20 beautiful classic cars all for sale from Facebook Marketplace. You know the deal. The link is in the description below. If you like one, click on that link. It'll take you right to the ad. You can check it out for yourself. Y'all be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You tell them, Rooster. Now let's check out the cars.
Come on, let's go!
All right, our first classic is a 1967 Chevrolet Impala from Stratacoma County, Alberta, Canada for $57,980. And this next classic is a 1981 Pontiac Trans Am from Oshawa, Ontario for $40,000. Up next, we got a 1968 Plymouth Barracuda from Calgary, Alberta, Canada for $55,000. This next classic is a 1961 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud from Brooklyn, New York for $55,000. What's happening, everybody? This is Papa G again. Hey, remember, if you like any one of these cars you see, the link is in the description below. All right, next up, we got a 1965 Chevrolet Biscayne from Venetia, Pennsylvania for $31,995. The next car is a 1956 Chrysler New Yorker from Somerville, Texas for $13,900. My next classic is a 1965 Chevrolet El Camino from Lostown, Oregon for $15,750. Now I have a 1961 Buick LeSabre from Cannon Lake, Texas for $15,000. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My next car is a 1964 Ford GT Galaxy 500 from Groveport, Ohio for $12,000. Hey, you know the routine. If you like any of these cars, the link is in the description below. This next classic is a 1960 Plymouth two-door hardtop from Rocky Mount, Virginia for $18,000. Now I have a 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air from Umhlanga Ridge, South Africa for $18,000. My next classic is a 1955 Ford Crown Victoria Skyliner from Virginia Beach, Virginia for $52,500. What's happening, everybody? This is Papa G again. Hey, remember, if you like any one of these cars you see, the link is in the description below. Up next, I have a 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible from Sacramento, California for $140,000. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My next classic is a 1965 Ford Mustang from Minneapolis, Minnesota for $27,500. My next classic is a 1938 Ford 5-window coupe from Fresno, California for $19,995. Next up, we got a 1977 Chevrolet C10 from Edinburgh, Texas for $16,900. What's happening, everybody? This is Papa G again. Hey, remember, if you like any one of these cars you see, the link is in the description below. This next classic is a 1959 Chevrolet Corvette convertible from Fenton, Missouri for $92,495. Now I have a 1956 Oldsmobile Super 88 from Hamilton, Ontario for $19,500. have a 1965 Pontiac GTO from Willoughby, Ohio for $38,500. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go!